Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today we are here together to unbox some beautiful scarves.
Welcome lovelies. Look at this two beautiful piles of gorgeous scarves. And look at us, we're red and white and black.
I know.
It's our favorite color theme.
It is our favorite. Look at.
Oh my God, I love it.
The stars from Ziska.
The
cute.
Stars, the sea stars. Oh,
yeah.
I love it. And
yeah, beautiful. Emotion from Ziska. Red, red, red.
To match this darling shirt, the buttons. No, the buttons are black, but they've cut the red patches where the buttons
are. I love that shirt.
It's a beautiful shirt.
From Creations, ladies.
From Creations.
We have a few left in white as well. So the opposite,
the
white with black.
The white one is beautiful too. A little wire in the collar, so it stays up.
And then your pants from Me and Guy, the new linen ones with the buttons. There's still a few left.
They're very popular.
Yeah, and we did it in the military as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, really cool.
Slash pockets, nice elastic waistband.
Yep.
And what about you?
So I have on the Lousje Bean A-line dress, sleeveless, and then I have on the Marie Laloon. There's just a few of these left from the braids.
Really? Wow.
Yeah, we did so well with the Marie Laloon drop last week. Oh my goodness, they're so beautiful. And I just wanted to wear something bright.
Yeah, it's very summery.
Very summery. And then Ziska. And this is the love scarf that we have from Unique, which we still have a few left.
It's gorgeous. Yeah.
It is a beautiful scarf. I'm just going to show you. You're going to see a lot of scarves today.
Yeah,
as you ladies know, it is scarf day and we love our scarves. But this is the...
Oh, yeah.
Isn't it beautiful?
Oh, my goodness.
And it's so nice and light.
Oh, it's gorgeous. Look at the hearts and love.
Cute.
Oh, love.
So we're going to show you lots of scarves today. So we have actually two drops. We have Kala. I know a lot of lovelies have been waiting for these beauties to drop for the spring, summer. And then we have a new line, and we like to say, which is like, it's kind of a line that we use, is cheap and cheerful.
Yeah.
So Kala, absolutely beautiful. You know, same quality as Love's Pure Light. You can just feel it. You'll see them when we open them up. So for the price point, it is what it is. And then again, like for these, like we said, they're $39, but they're so fun and we wanted to show you them. But we'll show you the Kala first. Four new ones. This is actually, I'll show you this first. This is a restock because these sold out in like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
This is the XOXO. So ladies,
Look at the size too, eh?
I know. So
gorgeous.
If you missed out on this one, ladies, we did restock it. Hand painted. I think there's a tiny bit of wool. There's silk and wool.
Yes, it feels like, I was going to say this feels like wool.
Yeah.
Fine wool.
Fine wool.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Excellent.
All right. Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh my God. These are heavenly.
Oh, I am so excited.
You are going to be so excited, Mom. Yeah, so Model, made in India, ladies. And the woman from Toronto, she has the prints done and then made up on these beautiful scarves.
Oh my.
Feel it though, Mom. Yeah. Isn't it beautiful?
It's gorgeous. Oh, look at this.
I know.
Oh.
Isn't that stunning?
Oh my goodness. I always want to hang these things on the wall because they're so beautiful.
I know.
It's so true. Them, you know?
I know. But look at ladies, like it's just
absolutely
gorgeous.
Yeah. Love.
Love. So that's the one style. Yeah. You're going to love this.
Listen, you can unfold this pack, but I'm going to unfold this one.
Okay. You're so funny.
Really?
Oh yeah, blah, blah, blah. This is, I remember ordering this, yep. Look.
Oh gosh, how fun is this?
Blah, 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 blah.
Blah, blah, blah.
Look at the colors.
I love it.
I know, absolutely stunning. Stunners.
Stunners.
They feel so beautiful. If you do own a Love's Pure Light, it's just like that. It's absolutely fabulous. I know, and they're really big, but once you have them on, they kind of... Okay.
Oh, that's beautiful too. Oh, I love it. Very chic colors.
Yeah, so Vogue, and then what does it say?
Milan, Italy.
Beautiful.
Oh.
all black and white, ladies. So that's a
gray.
gorgeous one.
Yeah, beautiful.
Black, white, gray.
Yeah.
And then here's a fresher one.
That one. Oh, can't wait to see that one.
Another Vogue.
Oh, yes.
Isn't that cool?
Oh, look at all these mannequins with different clothing on. I love it. Love, love, love.
Beautiful.
And look at the nice border.
I know.
Blue.
Beautiful.
Great.
So that is our Cala drop. Small but mighty, I must say.
So you had 5, right? Was this 5 tops?
Yeah, there was 4 new ones, and then we had the restock of the XOXO.
Right.
Yeah, look,
Yeah.
she's handing it over, ladies. She means business. All right, I will be the mule here.
Here.
I love this one, this blah, 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 ladies. Look at the colors in it. I absolutely love it.
Okay.
Okay, yep.
All right. So this feels nice too.
Yeah.
Very nice summer fabric.
Look at the polka dots. You picked our favorite one.
Oh my goodness. They look
And they all have little tassels.
like little candies.
I know.
They all have little tassels, right?
Yeah.
Adorable. Very nice. Okay.
Yeah, there's 8.
Oh, I love this too. This has got a real Indian batik-y
Yeah, batik, yeah.
look to it,
Yeah.
right?
Beautiful
Look at
colors.
this. Oh.
I know. And then the fringe on the end, or the tassels, are
Yeah.
the opposites.
Oh, like nice with jeans, this one.
Yeah.
Navy. Beautiful.
Mhm.
Oh, I like this
Look
one
at Charlie.
too.
He's all
Oh,
passed
he's in
out.
heaven.
I know. This is beautiful with the yellow.
Oh, I
Absolutely
love
gorgeous.
This one with the
Yeah.
mustard.
They're 100% polyester, just so
Really?
you know. Yeah.
Wow, that feels, well, you can wash them nice, but it has a beautiful feel to it, which is important because you have it against your delicate
Skin, yeah.
Look at this one too. I love
know,
this
with the
yellow and
mustard,
black.
with a beige, you know,
Oh,
summer linen sand color.
Tessa, you probably had a lot to choose from, but again, you picked very.
Nice. I know, an array of colors.
Look at this. You
Oh, beautiful. Stunning. Stunning with black. And we have, ladies, on Sunday, we have our couch talk of the month, me and Lousje.
Yes, make sure you join us.
We are going to be at Lousje's house doing a couch talk. And it is going to be, look at that, eh?
Look at this.
I
Isn't
know.
this spring,
I know.
Easter?
Beautiful.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's going to be all about, so we did Lousje's beginnings, my tales in Europe.
Yes.
Au pair.
Your vagabonding.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
then we're gonna start talking from when I returned and enrolled at school, and then from what happened there on. I'll tell you the next stage. Oh, the stories.
We're enjoying doing it.
Yeah, it's great,
know?
and you lovelies are loving it. It's really nice to
Fun.
hear these stories. Yeah.
So for the lovelies that just joined us, we've got quite a few new lovelies joining our lovely group.
Yeah.
We are 20 years in business, and you have decided, you've planned a whole program, and we're going back in history and what happened in those 22 years. So this is about to start.
Yes.
And look at this beauty.
That is gorgeous too. Gray, mustard, black, white. You know, ladies, I feel like when I unbox, I always hand it to Lousje so that she can feel, but I'm just sitting here watching her. I might as well. I'm going to go lay on the couch with Charlie here. I'm just going to sit here and snooze away.
No, this one is coming your way.
Normally I pass them to her, and I'm just sitting here.
It's coming your way, so be alert. Look at this, Tessa.
I know, isn't that beautiful?
Right?
Navy, yeah, creamy white and red.
Here you go, darling.
Great. Oh, thank you.
Oh, yeah.
I love it.
Oh, it's nice. Now I can see it from here.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I can be Vanna White now. I get to be Vanna.
Oh my God. Last one.
Last but not least.
Oh.
What? Taupees?
Oh, Tessa.
I know. They're so beautiful. I know.
And I'm in love.
I know.
Look at this.
I know. Isn't it cute?
Oh, Lordy B.
I know.
Okay, here. You can coil it and show it what it looks like. Oh, I love that one. Oh, that one is so much
Charlie?
fun.
Oma? Where's Glenn? Glenn?
Oh, man. No,
It's beautiful.
seriously, that's my favorite.
Yes. So Beautiful scarves, new drop, absolutely stunners from Calla. This is like the softest, most beautiful fabric in the world. And then some nice lovelies here, some sweetie pies. And yeah, if you have any questions, please let us know. So watch out tomorrow. Me and Lousje have our Friday faves. And if you missed it last week, watch last Friday faves, because we started our series of spotlighting 20 wonderful women in Niagara. Well, actually, locally, we are going to go as far as Toronto as well. And we have lots of women we want to celebrate. So we have 20. So we did all figure last week, was our first one. And stay tuned for more of that to come. And Sunday, we'll be on the couch together.
Yes, talking history.
But tomorrow we have a Friday faves, and we'll let you know where we're off to in the morning.
Okay, lovelies.
Hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video.
And as always, keep on smiling.